Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2007 Polaris Ranger XP. This is 700cc, fuel injected. This was my personal Ranger. I bought a new 19, and I'm selling the one I've had for the last few years. It's been a good one. It's only got 1,511 miles. I just had it serviced and it needed a fuel pump, so that was pretty expensive, but the fuel pump's been replaced. It's kind of a common problem when they get older. And I also did put the wheels and tires off my 19, so you get a brand new set of wheels and tires. These are 27, 11, 12. The tires got about 50 miles on them. Got your hitch, got your dump bed here, it's in good shape. You can dump it this way. Makes it real handy to work in the yard. It's got a nice clean frame. It hasn't seen mud very often. It was mostly a working around the house vehicle and just ride around with the kids. There's your fuel tank. It's got a pearl red to it. It's real pretty. Got a few scuffs on it, scratches, but nothing major. It's liquid cool. It's got 3 seats, 3 seat belts. It's got the sliding glass in the back. Got your glove box here, lots of storage. Got storage here. Everything works on it like it should. Just a good machine. Got a nice hard top. Automatic, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive, and it's got 1,511 miles. So I do not have any financing available for this, so this will be cash only. You might be able to go to your own bank, get a personal loan, but I don't have financing available for 07 Ranger, just cars. This is what you're looking for. Give me a call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. The website is Sunset Motors. Thank you for watching and come and see us.